Hello guys, welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika and today I'm taking you through the Avoya Splash 43-inch smart television. This TV's advanced and user-friendly features make it a clear winner as compared to any other brand in the market right now. So let's go through all the features one by one. This Avoya TV comes with a column spacer technology. This revolutionary technology drastically improves the picture quality and portrays a ripple-free, immersive projection of your favorite content. It's also armed with an attenuated phase shift that improves the contrast ratio and gives you a pixel-to-pixel, true-to-life experience. Avoya has also deployed the powerful and new overdriving circuit technology in this television. This feature ensures that there's no kind of motion blur and in simpler words, you receive a clear picture without any kind of distortion. The low response time here facilitates a faster and complete white to black transition, which basically means that the colors of your content change quickly. The list of innovative features does not end here. This TV is also equipped with copper bus line technology. This remarkable feature enhances the color quality of video graphics and everyday applications. The low-resistance copper ensures the signal transmits fast and emits a bright output with zero lagging. This Avoya TV also comes with advanced plane switching. This feature corrects pixel orientation on the screen and provides a lifelike experience. It also delivers a wide viewing angle, and that means that whatever be your favorite spot in the room, you get an uncompromised experience with a zero color shift. It also saves a great deal of electricity with the ultra-low power consumption mode and makes sure that watching your favorite content is not really heavy on your pocket. Now, the Avoya Splash also comes with the most advanced TV display panel, which is the IPS panel. The IPS panel ensures that the picture quality is absolutely detailed and does pure justice to your viewing content without any form of discoloration. It assures accurate color and zero fadedness irrespective of the viewing angle. Also friends, with this television, you also get a powerful sound output. It's equipped with high-fidelity stereo sound that puts you right in the middle of action by giving you a truly immersive experience. You can also sync all your Android devices to this television and enjoy everything at your fingertips. Just start watching a movie in your living room and take it along with you in the comfort of your bed. So friends, I think the Avoya Splash 43-inch smart TV gives you an unmatched and ultimate TV viewing experience with some really advanced features. Also, buying this TV on Flipkart is a deal you should not miss because on Flipkart, you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family. That's all from me. Have a perfect buy.